Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering a crucial market update for the week ahead. This is a huge week for Fed news, and we're seeing continued uncertainty due to the government shutdown, which is now in its sixth straight day. On our calendar, Monday brings us STZ earnings and the OpenAI Dev Day event, which could drive massive volatility in the AI sector. Tuesday has 5 Fed speakers and the AMZN Prime Day. The biggest events are Wednesday with the release of the FOMC minutes and Thursday with a crucial Fed Chair Powell speech. All of this culminates on Friday with the consumer sentiment and inflation expectations reports. Now, for the context, while the shutdown has delayed the release of the closely watched non-farm payrolls report, alternative indicators last week pointed to tepid hiring, reinforcing expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut rates by 25 basis points at its next meeting. U.S. stock index futures are rising, building on last week's gains as a flurry of AI-related deal-making and softer labor market trends bolster expectations for a rate cut. The resilience in equities is notable, continuing despite the government shutdown, underscoring persistent appetite for tech stocks. The problem is that even if a deal is reached, the timeline for releasing delayed data remains uncertain, which means the Fed will likely be operating with limited visibility into the economy at its upcoming meeting. Traders lacking fresh catalysts will have to lean on this same data to guide positioning until Powell speaks. Join our team by checking the link in the description. Peace out.